Hello, this is Dr. Sircus, speaking to you from my bed. I'm not here to show you that I'm very sick and breathing oxygen. In fact, I'm going to talk about what I've been doing for 3 months now and what I call the ultimate sleep therapy. What I've been doing is every night for 3 months, when I go to sleep, I just turn this machine on, push the button, set the voltage with this yellow button, and go to sleep. Breathing 66% oxygen and 66% hydrogen and 33% oxygen. It's been a game changer for me personally and could be for many people. I've been doing this therapy, breathing these gases, 6 to 7 hours a night. I've been sleeping longer. And the amazing thing for me is, for years, I've been waking up in pain. So waking up early, sometimes 3, sometimes 4, 5 would be late for me, because I'd have shoulder pain, neck pain, sometimes pain in my sternum area from here, like in here. And the first night I did this, I woke up with a reduction of 90% of my pain. And now it's basically 99%. First of all, this is an amazing machine. It's very quiet, very simple to use. Super high quality, quiet at night. I think I look, and people have been commenting, 10 years younger. Look, my skin has been very good. I've just changed. It's changed me. To sleep and not wake up with pain, for me personally, is like a miracle, because I tried everything. And I was using a pure hydrogen machine for like 2 years before I got this, and doing it like 1 hour a day, and even maybe not even that. It didn't take care of my pain. I didn't get the results. The beautiful thing is that I can get 6-7 hours of therapy in, and it doesn't cut into my day at all. So if you're on the run and you're a very busy person, cancer patients, I recommend from 2 to 4 hours a day. It's a lot of time during the day for busy people. So at night, sleeping all night with this gas, just wonderful. Hydrogen, of course, is wonderful. Gives more energy, reduces oxidative stress. Well, what can I say? I recommend this to all my patients now. This happens to be the best unit. Love it. I love it. And I love feeling better. I love looking better. I have a big family, a young wife. I'm 68, and I need to stick around for a long time. Hydrogen, or what is called Brown's gas, is a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. So in the oxygen component, basically I'm breathing around 23% oxygen instead of 21. So this is a boost. And of course, oxygen is made safer with carbon dioxide and hydrogen, because hydrogen takes care of the waste product of oxidation, which is what all our cells are doing. Turns, like a hydrogen car, it turns your free radicals into water, combines with free radicals, the worst ones. Have my highest recommendation. If you can afford one of these beautiful machines built to last for decades, you have it. Bottom line, hydrogen is good for everybody. It's the most prevalent atom and molecule in existence, flooding into interstellar space. The sons eat hydrogen for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. One of the hopes for the human race and for the future is hydrogen economy, hydrogen cars, trains, buses, even planes, flying cars already, trucks. Hydrogen is a clean energy, and it's a clean medicine. It belongs in every ICU and emergency department. It'd be wonderful to have it in an ambulance, on the sidelines of contact sports. If somebody gets a concussion, put them on this gas right away, right on the sidelines. It is like a wind that blows you away from death's door. And that's why it's good in ICU. If you're dying, I mean, there are many good things you can do, including inject or do an IV of magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin D. But hydrogen gas belongs right alongside of oxygen. Oxygen therapy in hospitals is the most prescribed drug. In a hospital, it's considered a drug. But it's made safe with hydrogen. So whether you have cancer or you're ICU patient or at home, even if you're healthy, it's an anti-aging medicine. It'll blow you, when I say blow you away from death's door, you could be standing right in front of it, or you could be very healthy and far away from it. I'm not going to stop because I'm feeling better. The feeling I got in the first week that this was going to give me easily another 10 years of life. This brown gas kind of has a magical property that, and a lot of research in China and Japan is done with this particular gas, this combination gas. If you like what I'm talking about, please like this post, comment below. Go to my site, drsircus.com. I have many articles on hydrogen there. Just put in the search item. My book, Hydrogen Medicine, combining oxygen with hydrogen and carbon dioxide, just came out in the United States. You'll see the link for it in my site. Published in softcover, hardcover, and ebook format. It's one of only 2 books on the subject in the world, and the only one really popular. The other book is a short book and more just straight medical science.